guys, welcome back to today reading class. In this particular video, we're going to be looking at JAMB past question, JAMB English Language past question and answer for the year 2024. So guys, if this is the first time watching my video or my channel, do it to subscribe, like, also turn the notification button in case we have a brand video like this or we have another video like this. You definitely be the first to notify. And also guys, in case you need this white past question or this JAMB past question, I want to download it. I want to download the PDF format that I have it here. So it's very simple. What you just have to go do here is to go to the comment section or the description below. You'll see the link that directs to our Telegram channel or weather channel. So join and contact the admin there. We direct you how you can download this. I think it's just 2,500 to download for the 4 subjects. Okay, it's 2,000 for the 4 subjects. So guys, I want you to put yourself in a reading mode. Okay, so I'll be scrolling down. I want to put yourself in a reading mode. So before I proceed and be starting scrolling down, I would like to get the materials needed to participate for this class. What are the materials needed to participate for this class? One is a pen. Okay, second, and the second one is a notebook, the lesson notebook. So come here every day by day and be treating out different exam past question I'll be showing you guys. So this channel is meant for reading and it's for education purpose. I want you to come there and always start reading different exam past question and participate in the mathematics class on daily basis rather. So guys, let's dive to it. I will put it now. You answer the question under it, and after it, I will show you the answer where explanatory answer, so you can get how it is solved. You can check maybe where you get a mistake, so you can read it again and again until you get to master the 2024 English Language JAMB past question and answer. So you are free to go about it. So guys, let's get started.